Welcome to our comprehensive guide on the best volume oscillator settings and strategy. I'm Jennifer, and today we'll delve into the world of financial trading, focusing on a unique tool that offers incredible insights into market dynamics, the volume oscillator. First, let's understand what the volume oscillator is. This technical analysis tool measures the difference between two moving averages of a security's volume. By comparing short-term and long-term volume trends, traders can gain critical insights into market momentum and sentiment. Step-by-step guide on TradingView. Step 1. First, open TradingView and select the chart of the security you want to analyze. Step 2. Click on the Indicators button at the top of the chart. Step 3. In the search bar, type Volume Oscillator. Step 4. Select Volume Oscillator from the list of available indicators. Step 5. You can then customize the short-term and long-term moving averages to match your trading strategy. Adjust the periods to fit your preferred settings, whether it's short-term, medium-term, or long-term trading. Key components of the volume oscillator. The volume oscillator consists of two key components: a short-term moving average, typically over 5 or 10 days, and a long-term moving average, usually over 20 days or more. The difference between these two moving averages forms the volume oscillator value, highlighting discrepancies in trading volume. Different trading setups. Now, let's explore the optimal settings for different trading timeframes. For short-term trading, use 3-day short-term MA and 10-day long-term MA. For medium-term trading, use 5-day short-term MA and 20-day long-term MA. And for long-term trading, use 10-day short-term MA and 30 to 50-day long-term MA. Short-term traders should use tighter settings for quick market changes, while long-term traders benefit from longer moving averages to smooth out fluctuations. Volume oscillator interpretation with price chart. Interpreting the volume oscillator values is crucial. Positive values suggest bullish momentum with increasing trader interest, while negative values indicate bearish momentum with declining interest. Watch for zero-line crossovers. When the volume oscillator crosses above zero, it signals a potential uptrend, and a cross below zero indicates a potential downtrend. Combining volume oscillator with other indicators. Enhance your strategy by combining the volume oscillator with other indicators like moving averages, Bollinger Bands, or the Relative Strength Index, RSI. This provides a comprehensive market analysis, reinforcing buy or sell signals. If you liked this video, consider subscribing to our channel and pressing the bell icon to stay updated with our new videos. For a more in-depth guide on the volume oscillator, visit our website at brokercheck.co.za.